Welcome at Maths Form 4. Topic Progression, Lesson 1, Notes. Today's lesson is Arithmetic Progression, symbol AP. AP, Arithmetic Progression, is a sequence of numbers or terms whereby the difference between two consecutive numbers is same. We look at an example. We have 2, 4, 6, 8. The difference between 2 and 4 is 2. Difference between 4 and 6 is also 2. Difference between 6 and 8 is also 2. So therefore, we have the same difference. The difference is same. So this sequence of numbers is an AP. Let us look at the symbols now. The first term is T1 or A. Second term is T2. The third term is T3. Therefore, the nth term is Tn. And the last term, symbol L. Next, the difference between two consecutive numbers, it is called the common difference, symbol D. Difference between two consecutive numbers is called the common difference, symbol D. Next, the general form of an AP, first term is A, second term is A plus D, the third term A plus 2D, the fourth term is A plus 3D. Next, we look at the common difference. The common difference symbol D is D equals Tn minus Tn minus 1. So if I were to do an example that the D is T10 minus T9, the D would be T5 minus T4. T10 minus T9. T5 minus T4. Okay? So the formula for common difference is Tn minus 1. Next, the formula for the nth term, it is Tn A plus n minus 1D. And I've given an example here. So if you have n, this is n minus 1. Therefore, T5 A plus 5 minus 1 for D. We have T10, 10 minus 1 is 9. So A plus 9D. Just another example. So if I have to have T20, it will be A plus 20 minus 1, 19D. Next, we have the formula for the sum of the first n terms, symbol Sn. Now when we say the first n terms, it means we are finding the sum. We are finding the sum from the first term. We are finding the sum from the first term. Meaning, if I want to find S3, this is T1 plus T2 plus T3. That is the meaning. Let us say I want to find S4. It is T1 plus T2 plus T3 plus T4. So you must start from the first term T1. Okay? So now the formulas are Sn, n over 2, 2a, n minus 1d. Okay, it is Sn n over 2 2a n minus 1d. Or another formula, Sn n over 2 brackets a plus L. And there is another formula for Tn. Previously, we have learned that the Tn is a plus n minus 1d. This is the formula we learned previously. There is another formula for this Tn, which is over here. Tn is Sn n minus 1. I give you an example. Tn Sn minus Sn minus 1. So the example is, let us say for T5, it is S5 minus S4. T10 is S10 minus S9. So if you notice, T5, S5 minus 1, S4. T10, S10 minus 1, S9. And our last formula is, if you are given 3 consecutive terms. Now when I say 3 consecutive terms, it means I want to T1, T2, T3. Consecutive, berturutan. Let us say T5, T6, T7. They are berturutan, consecutive. So if you are given 3 consecutive terms, that is Tx, Ty, Tz. The formula is, you take the Tz, you take the formula Tz minus the one before it. You take Tz, you minus the one before it, which is Ty, equals, you take Ty minus the one before it, Tx. Okay? I give you one example. Let us say we are given T10, T11, and T12. Therefore, you take the biggest one, T12, you minus the one before it, T11, and equal, now you take T11 minus the one before it, T10. So when do we use this formula? This formula is used that the Tz minus Ty equals Ty minus Tx. We use the formula. The formula is used for finding values of variable. You want to find a value of proving that the sequence is an AP. So this formula is used to find value of something or for proving that the sequence is an AP. That's all for today. I see you next lesson to do the questions of AP. Thank you.